Maintaining a clean and tidy home can feel overwhelming, especially for seniors who may not have the energy or mobility they once did. But here's the good news. Staying on top of household chores doesn't have to be a back-breaking task. With a few simple, lazy habits, really these are smart habits, you can keep your home looking great without putting in much effort. These tips, inspired by wisdom shared by seniors like you and me, are designed to be practical, emotionally uplifting, and most importantly, easy to implement. Let's dive into these no-effort cleaning hacks, shall we? Number 1. Adopt the 1-minute rule. If a task takes less than a minute to complete, do it immediately. This could be something as simple as wiping a spill, putting dirty dishes in the dishwasher, or hanging up a coat. Over time, these tiny actions prevent small messes from snowballing into bigger ones. For example, a retired teacher named Mary mentioned that she keeps a microfiber cloth in her pocket most of the time. Every time she sees a dusty surface, she gives it a quick wipe while walking to another room. It feels satisfying to know that I've done something without it feeling like a chore, she said. 2. Invest in smart cleaning tools. Robot vacuums, self-cleaning litter boxes, and automatic shower cleaners are worth every penny. One senior on a forum swore by her robotic vacuum, affectionately nicknamed Dusty, saying it's like having a little cleaning helper who never complains. Joe, a retired engineer, mentioned how his self-wringing mop saves him from bending down or using too much effort. Another fan of robot vacuums, Anne, shared on a YouTube comment how her vacuum runs every morning while she sips coffee, leaving her floors spotless without lifting a finger. 3. Use Lazy Susan turntables for easy access. These rotating trays aren't just for spices. You can place them in your fridge, bathroom cabinets, or under the sink to make everything accessible without digging. Clara, a grandmother of 4, shared how a Lazy Susan in her pantry transformed her cooking routine. I don't have to stretch or strain to grab the olive oil or vinegar anymore. I just spin it around and it's there, she said. Another clever use comes from Ron, who uses a Lazy Susan under his bathroom sink to keep cleaners and toiletries organized, saying, "No more hunting for the right bottle." 4. Practice surface cleaning daily. Instead of tackling an entire room at once, focus on clearing surfaces you use most often, like countertops, dining tables, or your nightstand. A quick wipe down keeps dust and clutter at bay. One senior named Sarah keeps a pack of pre-moistened cleaning wipes in every room. She mentioned, "When I finish my coffee in the morning, I wipe down the table immediately. It's a small effort that makes a big difference." Adding to this, Bill, a retired chef, makes it a habit to wipe his stovetop after each meal. "It's such a small thing, but it saves hours of scrubbing later," he said. 5. Use a laundry hamper with wheels. If laundry feels like a Herculean task, switch to a hamper with wheels. This simple change can make transporting clothes to the washing machine effortless. One senior explained, "My old laundry basket was too heavy to carry, so I switched to a wheeled one. Now I roll it to the laundry room and it's so much easier on my back." Emily, a retired nurse, takes it a step further by keeping separate hampers for lights, darks, and delicates to make sorting effortless. "It's like the laundry practically does itself," she joked. 6. Stick to spot cleaning bathrooms. You can keep a squeegee in the shower and use it after each bathroom use to prevent soap scum buildup. Additionally, spray surfaces with a no-rinse cleaner every couple of days. Diane, a retired nurse, brushes her teeth in the shower while wiping down the tiles with an old washcloth. "It's 2 birds with 1 stone and keeps my shower looking spotless," she said. Another senior named Frank suggests keeping a small spray bottle of vinegar and water on the bathroom counter. "A quick spritz here and there is all it takes," he shared. 7. Declutter as you go. You can adopt the habit of removing one unused item each week, whether it's donating an old sweater or tossing expired pantry items. Gradual decluttering keeps your home spacious and tidy. One senior shared her mantra: "If I don't love it or use it, it goes." She sets a small donation box by her front door and fills it up slowly as she finds things to let go of. John, another retired senior, takes a slightly different approach. "Every time I bring something new into the house, I get rid of something old. It's my one-in, one-out rule." 8. Outsource when possible. Sometimes being lazy means being smart. Consider hiring a cleaner for deep cleaning once a month. Margaret, now a retired senior, saves for this luxury by cutting back on takeout meals. "It's worth every dollar to have someone else clean the blinds and baseboards," she said. For those on a tighter budget, Margaret recommends hiring a neighborhood teenager to help with chores. "They're affordable, eager, and get the job done quickly," she noted. 9. Keep a cleaning caddy in each room. Instead of running around the house gathering supplies, store a small cleaning caddy in each major area. Linda, a retired florist, uses decorative baskets to hide her caddies. "They blend in with my decor, but keep everything I need within arm's reach," she said. Another senior named Mike also mentioned that he has a caddy with a handle in his living room. "It's my go-to for quick dusting or wiping down the coffee table," he said. 10. Adopt the basket trick for clutter. Another trick involves placing a basket in each room to quickly gather stray items. Once a day, go around with the basket, returning items to their rightful places. Grace, a retired seamstress, calls this her evening wind-down routine. She said, "I listen to classical music while tidying up. It's calming and productive." Another great example comes from Betty, who uses color-coded baskets for each family member. "It's a fun way to get everyone involved," she said. 11. Microwave cleaning hack. Fill a bowl with water and a splash of vinegar, then microwave it for 5 minutes. The steam loosens grime, making it easy to wipe away. One senior mentioned how she loves this tip. "It's so easy, and my microwave looks brand new every time. Plus, the vinegar smell disappears quickly." You can also add lemon slices to the bowl for a fresh scent. It makes the whole kitchen smell amazing. 12. Create a done-for-you cleaning schedule. You can use apps or printable charts that break cleaning into small, manageable daily tasks. David, a retired accountant, uses a free app that reminds him to vacuum on Mondays and clean the fridge on Fridays. "It's like having a personal assistant. I don't even have to think about what to do next," he said. Another senior, named Emma, mentioned that she uses a printable chart on her fridge. "Seeing those little check marks adds a sense of accomplishment to my day," she said. 13. Embrace the drop zone concept. You can designate a specific spot near the entrance for keys, mail, shoes, and bags. This prevents clutter from spreading throughout the house. Joan, a retired senior, turned an old entryway table into her drop zone. "It's simple, but it's made a huge difference in keeping things organized," she shared. Peter, another senior, added hooks for hats and jackets, saying, "It saved me so much time searching for things." 14. Double-duty cleaning while watching TV. Fold laundry, dust surfaces, or sort mail while watching your favorite shows. Rob, a retired postman, pairs this with reruns of his favorite sitcoms. "It's amazing how much you can get done during a 30-minute episode," he said. You could keep a small basket of socks to sort while binge-watching dramas. It's oddly therapeutic. 15. Make bedtime reset time. Before you head to bed, spend 5 minutes tidying up the living room, fluffing pillows, and straightening blankets. Waking up to a tidy space sets a positive tone for the day. Elizabeth, a retired nurse, even lights a lavender-scented candle during this ritual. "It's my way of saying goodbye to the day and hello to a fresh start tomorrow," she said. Another senior named George includes checking the thermostat and locking doors in his reset routine. "It's peace of mind and tidiness all rolled into one," he said. 16. Switch to easy clean fabrics. You can opt for furniture covers, rugs, and curtains made from materials that are stain-resistant and easy to wipe or wash. Jane, a retired interior designer, recommends microfiber or leather for sofas. "It's amazing how spills just wipe off without leaving a trace," she said. Another senior mentioned that he swapped his kitchen mats for rubber-backed rugs. "They don't slip, and they're super easy to hose down," he explained. 17. Use a folding cart for chores. A lightweight, collapsible cart can be a game changer for carrying groceries, cleaning supplies, or laundry around the house. One woman shared, "It saves my back and keeps me moving without overdoing it." Another senior also mentioned that he uses his cart to carry yard tools, adding, "It's like having an extra pair of hands." 18. Set a timer for quick cleaning bursts. You can commit to cleaning for just 10-15 minutes at a time using a timer. Alice, a retired nurse, swears by this trick. "When the timer goes off, I stop, but I'm usually amazed by how much I've accomplished," she said. Frank, a retired coach, uses this method to clean during commercial breaks while watching sports. "It keeps things fun and manageable," he noted. 19. Keep plants to reduce dust. Indoor plants not only improve air quality, but can also help reduce dust levels. Lily, a retired botanist, keeps hardy plants like snake plants and pothos in her living room. "They're low maintenance and make the space feel fresh," she said. Another senior named Edward adds, "Just wiping the leaves occasionally counts as cleaning in my book." 20. Leverage multi-purpose cleaners. Instead of juggling multiple products, invest in one or two multi-surface cleaners. One senior recommends having a universal cleaner that works on glass, wood, and countertops. "It's so convenient. I can clean an entire room without switching bottles," she said. Mike, another retired senior, also mentioned that he loves his all-purpose spray for quick touch-ups. "It simplifies my life," he added. 21. Use over-the-door organizers. You could maximize vertical space with over-the-door organizers. These are perfect for storing shoes, cleaning supplies, or miscellaneous items. One senior named Kathy mentioned that she uses one in her pantry for spices and snacks. "It's a game changer for small spaces and keeps everything organized," she said. You could also use one in your bathroom to keep toiletries off the counter. It keeps everything tidy and easy to grab. 22. Label everything. Labeling containers and storage bins helps keep your home organized without extra effort. Martha, a retired librarian, swears by her label maker. "It's especially helpful for the kitchen. No more guessing which container has flour or sugar," she said. Another senior shared that he uses sticky notes for temporary labels in his workshop. "It's simple and keeps everything in order," he shared. 23. Utilize a cordless hand vacuum. A small cordless hand vacuum makes spot cleaning quick and effortless. Claire, a retired accountant, keeps one near her couch to pick up crumbs. "It's lightweight and saves me from dragging out the big vacuum. You could also use one to clean your car and patio furniture. It's so versatile." 24. Install peel and stick tiles for easy maintenance. Peel and stick tiles are not only affordable, but also make cleaning floors and backsplashes a breeze. One woman said she installed them in her kitchen. "They wipe clean so easily, and I didn't even need professional help to put them in," she said. Another senior gentleman said that he used them in his bathroom and loved their durability. "They look great and are super low maintenance," he added. 25. Keep a donation bin handy. Have a designated bin for items you no longer need. When it's full, drop it off at a local donation center. One senior woman mentioned that she keeps hers in the garage. "It's a constant reminder to let go of things I don't use," she said. Another gentleman said that involves his grandchildren by letting them help sort through items. It's a great way to teach them about giving back, he shared. Adopting lazy cleaning habits isn't about cutting corners. It's about working smarter, not harder. By implementing these practical tips, you'll create a home that feels comfortable, clean, and welcoming without exhausting yourself. Remember, every small effort adds up over time. So give these a try and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with a tidy space. If this video was helpful, kindly give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Hit the subscribe button for more tips on living your best life in your golden years. Take care and thank you for watching.